Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us on the Gator Metal Roofing YouTube channel. I am your host, Nicole. We are your #1 metal roofing company in the Carolinas, and today we are meeting homeowners in the Rocky Mount area, and I am here with Miss Shirley. Shirley, thank you so much for joining us today.
Oh, you're welcome. Thanks for having me.
Of course. So let's rewind from the very beginning. How long have you lived in your beautiful home for?
So I've been here since 2022. So when I first bought, the first thing I wanted to do, I said, I need to get me a new roof.
What was the condition of that roof when you bought your home?
Oh, it had the old roof. I said, oh, they gotta go. Since I'm on the corner, I gotta make it right.
You gotta make it pop. You gotta make it, yes.
Yeah, and then I love metal roofs as well because when it rains, I love to hear the sound. It's so serenity to me.
Yes.
So that's why I went and Gator Roofing was my first choice.
I love that you say that because that is a common misconception. We get a lot. It's nice. You hear it.
Serenity is it's not as loud as you think. It's so nice to hear and it's relaxing.
And one thing I love that you mentioned earlier is that you do, and a lot of homeowners we suggest, you do reoccurring ongoing maintenance with your home.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
What does that look like, that ongoing maintenance look like for you?
So now, since I got the roof done, then I also went on moving to my bathroom and my kitchen. So I transferred and also I purple dazzled as well.
Yes, of course. Let me look at this. I love it. And one thing that Shirley did recommend, if her boss watches, maybe we should think of some purple roofs in the future.
Yes.
Just a suggestion. Shirley suggested it, and I'm here for it. A nice lilac color would be pretty.
Oh yes, most definitely. I love it. And it stands out. Everything stands out.
You knew it was gonna be your forever home, and you knew from the very probably first second that, hey, this was the home for you. And it's one of those things that once you got too, settled in, you kind of wanted to get those annoying, pesky remodeling out of the way. And getting a roof was one of your first things.
Yes, most definitely. But I was really definitely looking for a purple roof though, for real.
What do you got, Ross? Listen to Miss Shirley, she knows what she's talking about.
But I did have other great choices too that I love too, because I had even the roofs, the metal roofs on that shimmers or turn colors when the sun shines on it. So I thought it was awesome. And that's the one I went with too. So it was really good choices either way.
Even though it's not purple, what made you decide specifically on the color that you did choose?
Because since it was a neutral color, it blends in better with the house. And I love how when the sun, like I said, the example that was showing me, I love how the sun shimmers on the roof. Yeah. So if you're driving by and see my roof, you're gonna see this little
You don't need
shimmer.
the Christmas lights, you just got your roof.
I know.
I love it.
I just love it. So I just love that. And I love how it stands out, so.
And how did you first hear about Gator Metal Roofing in the first place?
First Google, and I said, who's the best, roofing contractor? Gator Roofing kept on popping up. I'm like, okay. So, I just went with that. Yeah. And I love your name, Gator Roofing. You know what I'm saying?
Gator, gotta stick with it.
Gator.
You got
Piggly Wiggly. Florida a little bit, but because I love Florida, I love the sunshine and the beach.
Yeah.
So, so I just felt like, okay, I'm just going with them. and plus they had good reviews. Yeah. So I went on to check the reviews out. It was awesome. So I said, why not?
Yeah, why not? You gave his call. Do you remember from start to finish, from giving us a call to the inspection to installation, how long it took?
Oh yeah, so when I gave them a call, we set an appointment, of course. They brought all these examples and stuff. And of course, I was digging through there because you know what I was looking for. Yeah. Purple.
Yeah, I know.
And he said, unfortunately we don't have that. Then I found the example I got now on my roof. Yeah. And we went with that. Talked about, the fee, the finances and stuff like that.
Yeah.
We just set up, they came and did it within a day.
Okay, wow. Yeah.
Within a day. I thought that was awesome itself.
Yeah.
It was easy peasy. Easy peasy. A nice process, with a whole lot of hassle, nothing. That's one thing, was not a lot of hassle, a little run, they have you going in circles, run around and things like that. It was an easy process. Good. And that's what I love too.
Yeah, that's what we love to hear. And then the day that they came and installed everything, how did that process?
They called me before and said, hey, we're on our way because we know the equipment is there now, so we can start on your roof. And they went with it. I didn't have no problems. They didn't bother me. When it was done, they came, Miss Shirley, we're done. You want to come look at it and stuff like that. And I was just impressed. I was very impressed with the service.
Yeah, that's what we love to hear. And on top of that, not only do you now have a beautiful roof, but you have that lifetime warranty that, God forbid, if anything happens, there's that peace of mind. And, if you want to pass it down to your kids one day or you need to transfer it, you have that just in your back pocket in case you ever need us.
And that's what I love too. And I told my kids, I'm like, oh my God, what I'm saying? But the finance was easy. And like I said, it was a lot, it was really reasonable. That's why I love it. It's another reason I chose Gator. And not along with what you just said, long, term and pass it down to your kids. I love that option.
Yeah.
You know, because that's what I bought the house for. This is like a family home.
Yeah, your forever home, not just for you, but for your kids as well.
Yes.
It's important, and we recognize that. And I'm glad that you mentioned the financing part, because yes, we do recognize that, you know, metal roofing, when done properly and when done with high quality materials, it is more expensive than shingles in the long run, but you actually are saving money, not only with our lifetime warranty, but not having to do ongoing maintenance and whatever, you know, with our crazy North Carolina weather, you just never know.
It was definitely worth it, because like you said, long term, anything happen, they come out here, you know, that without any extra pay, whatever. I love that.
Yeah, that's what we love to hear. And then, since you've gotten your new roof installed, have you noticed the energy levels different in your home, especially in the summer heat?
Most definitely, because when the energy here, like the light bill, be like 3 or 4. Now since I have this metal roofing on there, and like 2, maybe 250, not even touching the 300 anymore like it was before. So definitely seeing the decrease in my light bill.
Good, that's what we love to see.
Yep.
And finally, I just always love to ask this question. What advice do you have for someone who maybe they're watching this and they're contemplating, they haven't pulled the trigger on whether they want to upgrade to a metal roof, especially working with Gator? What would you tell them?
I would say start just calling him that conversation. Let them know what you're looking for, what you want. And I'm pretty sure they can find any kind of solution for you, you know, to help you out. Because they have so many options. It's just awesome.
Except for purple.
Yeah, except for purple.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. But yeah, listen, start that conversation first, and you know, and ask the questions. Don't be scared to ask questions, because that's how you know you can get what you want.
Exactly. Every family's different. What you're looking for is going to be different for everybody.
Yes, and if that conversation don't go, you know, still got you like, if they set up a consultation, have them come out, let them bring out their products, you know, examples, so you get a visual, because I'm a visual person as well.
Same.
So once you get that visual and you see, and then they explain how their process is, payment options and stuff there, you'll be good to go.
Yeah, you heard it from Miss Shirley herself. You're good to go. And again, when our boss is watching, we need to do a purple roof. Let's get that on our 2026 vision board. Purple by the end of the year. Miss Shirley will have your home be the model.
I'll be it. I'm already voting for it already.
She's like, sign me up. Awesome. Well, Miss Shirley, thank you so much for having us. You have such an amazing personality. It was fantastic meeting you. And y'all, if you want to be like Miss Shirley and you want to get a Gator Metal roof yourself, give us a call. And don't forget to like, subscribe, leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. And we will see you next time. Bye.